Hello, everybody. Welcome back to the channel where we talk about stuff. In news that probably should be more popular, but I understand why it's not. We've gotten news for years now that pensions, retirement funds, from countries have begun to allocate money into Bitcoin. The interesting part is that, if you haven't caught on, is that they're choosing Bitcoin. They're not choosing their local currency. They're not choosing another thing. They're not putting their money into gold, what have you. We keep seeing these massive amounts of allocations into the cryptocurrency space, regardless of if prices are going to react accordingly after we end up getting this news. We had news of pensions for quite some time. We also heard from Fidelity, this was maybe a month or two ago, that they're in discussions with a number of pension funds and also countries around the world who are looking to allocate money into Bitcoin. So when I say that this should be more news than it actually is, it's mainly because this is my personal opinion. A lot of people don't actually prepare for retirement, don't care about the idea of retirement. And I know you may sit there and say, well, I do. Well, you're one of the few. Ask how many of your friends are preparing or are prepared for retirement. Most people don't start until they're actually in their 50s. They don't think about it. It's not something that's on their mind. They assume that they will simply be able to retire when they're 65 and that grandpa government is going to kind of hold them up and give them the money that they need, which is not the reality of the situation in any country right now, and it's only going to continue to get worse. So an investment advisor, a registered investment advisor, an RIA, by the name of Pine Ridge Advisors has announced, or people also found out, that they have put money into a number of various different spot Bitcoin ETFs in the United States. A lot of times people have been finding this information through the SEC's website or by filings and basically have released the information themselves. Pine Ridge Advisors did this themselves. The funds that they have allocated money into are BlackRock, Fidelity, and Bitwise. There's a whole other slew of the rest of the article where basically a number of analysts at Bloomberg are saying we're seeing this increasing trend. People are choosing for retirement and RIAs to not put money directly into gold and stuff anymore, or other things, or bonds that aren't performing as well as people believed that they would, and now they're choosing to put money into Bitcoin. Pine Ridge Advisors, at the time of me making this video, has allocated only $205 million across the three spot Bitcoin ETFs. We've been getting a lot of news like this for a while, but when it's not exciting and or important to a number of people because the people don't understand the power of being able to retire early and not having to work until your bones hurt. So when people hear this, they assume it's just another allocation into the ETFs. These allocations basically stand for longevity. These retirement accounts, these IRAs, ABCs, 123s, 401ks around the world that we've been seeing throwing money into the spot Bitcoin ETFs, they're doing so as a long-term hold. These are meant to actually be quite stable funds in that the assets that they buy, they hold on to for a very long time to make sure that they give a return back to the people who are actually in that retirement account, in that retirement fund. And the idea of them buying Bitcoin means that they essentially know that Bitcoin will not only be around for a while, but also has long-term prospectus to actually reach these numbers that we've all been talking about. So I'm a firm believer at some point that Bitcoin is going to hit $1 million plus per coin. It's just literal supply and demand, especially with all the accumulation that we've been seeing as of late. But it's very interesting to see, not only does the news of governments buying Bitcoin do nothing to the price, but hearing that these pensions and these funds are allocating huge amounts of money into Bitcoin as a literal long-term hold so that they can 30, 40, 70, 150% or even 150x their price over the next decade or two. Fascinating. So News like this always sticks out to me. Not the most exciting thing, but just another day of another company announcing that they're putting hundreds of millions of dollars into Bitcoin through the ETFs. Yeah, I do hope that you all enjoyed. I do hope you all are having a great day, morning, afternoon, evening, wherever you are, wherever the heck you might be. I do hope it's absolutely fantastic. Thank you all once again for watching, listening, liking, commenting, and supporting. And I will most certainly be talking to you all soon. See you.